A pleasant good evening to you. This is Ken McNatt with the MOV Weather and your evening briefing for Monday, March 2nd, 2026. A lot to get to this evening, so I'm just going to get to it. There is a marginal risk, a level 1 of 4 risk of flash flooding for virtually the entire region from Tuesday 7 a.m. to Thursday at 7 a.m. We'll see more of that as we get into the forecast. Real quick for tonight, though, scattered showers and rising temperatures. Lows middle to upper 30s, but rising to lower to middle 40s by sunrise. Average lows are in the upper 20s, so still much warmer than normal. And that's going to be the trend for the next at least 7, if not 10 days. This is the rain forecast for the next 7 days. Tonight at 7 p.m. through March 9th. 2 to 5 inches of rain, very much possible throughout the region. Least amounts north, most to the south. And of course, we have to watch rising creeks and streams and rivers, not only for the rain that is received here in the valley, but also upstream. Whether we're talking about the Ohio or the Muskingum, or the Kanawha, or the Little Kanawha, or even the Ohio. We have to watch that very carefully. And if you notice, the towns along the Little Kanawha are at most risk of the highest rain amounts. So we will have to watch that closely. And speaking of flood risk, this is tomorrow's flood risk, the flash flood guidance from the Weather Prediction Center. And the entire region is under a marginal risk, a level 1 of 4 risk of flash flooding occurring within 25 miles of any point within the risk area. So that's already worthy of watching, considering that just a few days ago, this wasn't even issued for our region for day 3, day 4. Now, Wednesday to Thursday, same thing, except this little part of Mason County. Don't know how they got out of it, but to be fair, the entire region should be watching for the potential of flash flooding. Tomorrow's rainfall, mostly a ½ inch to an inch, but more rain arrives tomorrow evening, and some of that gets into our area before the clock changes, because this is from 7 p.m. tonight to 7 p.m. tomorrow. So some of that gets to the western fringes of the region before the forecast period expires. So the western fringe, which includes Athens and McConnellsville, 1 to 1.5 inches of rain tomorrow possible. Everyone else up to an inch of rain. So in summary, for tonight, once again, scattered showers, rising temperatures after lows in the middle to upper 30s. Tomorrow, scattered showers, highs in the upper 50s to near 60. South wind 5 to 15 miles per hour. Wednesday, numerous rain showers, highs in the lower to middle 60s. Numerous showers again Thursday morning, lows in the lower to middle 50s. Thursday during the day, showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower to middle 70s. Numerous showers Friday morning. Lows in the upper 50s to near 60. Morning showers Friday, then partial clearing at the very least. Highs in the middle to upper 70s. Average high for Friday is in the lower 50s. Think about that. That is very, very warm compared to average. And it's going to continue being so for at least the next 7 days. But for now, this is Ken McNabb with the MOV Weather, wishing you a great evening. And please remain weather aware.